The stabilized red pulp and whole tomatoes are now fully captured by the primary intake system, ensuring a continuous flow to the processing line.
The regulated flow passes beneath the vibration plates. Any excess buildup is precisely shaken loose. The remaining tomatoes tighten into a cleaner, more uniform stream as inspection removal reduces the chaos and stabilizes material consistency.
The controlled tomato stream enters the secondary alignment system, where belts narrow, guiding the material into precise lanes.
The aligned tomato lanes converge smoothly toward the sealed washing entry points, demonstrating peak efficiency with no backlog.
Cascading into the washing system, the tomatoes transition from a chaotic arrival into a disciplined, industrial flow.
Inside the wash chamber, the heated water circulation raises the temperature, intensifying the sanitation without slowing the material flow.
The vibrating sorting systems ensure the debris falls through the calibrated gaps, leaving only the ripe tomatoes to continue down the line.
Precision engineering allows for an uninterrupted flow, sorting the ripest fruit with incredible speed. This stabilized flow is crucial. Soon, these perfect tomatoes will undergo their irreversible transformation.
Centrifugal separation begins as pulp enters high-speed rotating drums. Heavier seeds are forced outward while the lighter liquid remains centralized. The final pre-cooking pipelines deliver the homogenized slurry into the intake, the flow rate constant and uninterrupted. internal paddle agitators rotating continuously, ensuring even heat distribution throughout the thickening tomato slurry.
Under vacuum conditions, the boiling point of water drops significantly, causing this flash evaporation.
As the water content flashes off, the pulp thickens. Notice how the bubbles slow down, indicating a perfect reduction.
The paddle mixers gently fold the thick paste, allowing the water content to diminish and the color to deepen.
Precision is key. As the concentrated tomato paste flows, sugar, vinegar, and salt are metered in exact ratios into the stream.
This high-speed homogenizer forces the mixture through incredibly narrow channels, guaranteeing the complete integration of flavors.
The continuous flow enters the sterilization chamber, where a brief exposure to extreme heat eliminates all remaining bacteria.
The thermal sensors register the temperature spike as the vials reach the sterilization core, crucial for maintaining aseptic conditions.
Sensors continuously monitor the viscosity, color, and temperature, ensuring a perfect balance every time.
This cinematic documentary footage captures the fully sterilized and flavor-balanced ketchup flowing precisely into the automated...
Through these automated scanners, we ensure airtight closure and prevent any contamination.
The fully automated warehouse operates 24 hours a day, ensuring a continuous and uninterrupted flow of products to consumers worldwide.